Hello everyone and welcome back to Food on Fire. Tonight we're cooking rainbow trout asado style, which means nailing it to a plank of wood and cooking it directly in front of a log fire. Earlier today we went down to the amazing Stream Farm in Somerset to catch the fish and see what they're up to.
Hi, I'm Will, down here at Stream Farm. So we've got organic Dexter cattle, which you can hear in the background. We do Hampshire down sheep. We've got organic pork. We do chickens, free-range organic chickens, egg-laying hens in our orchard, where we get also our apple juice from. We've got a spring as well in our farm, so we bottle still and sparkling water. And then finally, one of the final businesses is our stream-fed rainbow trout. Just in our top pond here, we've got about half-pound, half-plate size fish. We then grow them up slowly, usually for about 6 months until they reach this middle pond size, which is about a pound in size, about plate size. And then finally the larger fish we fillet and then smoke. We're going to catch some fresh rainbow trout.
These are the rainbow trout we got earlier at Stream Farm. This recipe would work with fillets or portions. Salmon, cod or haddock would work. But as we're working with whole fish, we're going to gut them. And to do so, cut along the belly and clean out the cavity. To fillet the fish, cut along the backbone, using long strokes following the bones. Put your knife in and then follow behind the gills. When you've got both of the fillets off, keep the bones. You can use them to make a stock. Trim the fillets up, removing the fins, and keep them to one side. You need to attach the fish to the cedar board. The cedar imparts a light smoky flavour. We do so using stainless steel roofing nails. And gently hit the nails in. Not too hard or you'll never get them out. If you're cooking a larger fish, like a side of salmon, you need to soak your board for half an hour before cooking under some water to prevent it catching fire. For this recipe, we're cooking with a log fire. There's no need for charcoal. Let the fire take hold, and to check when it's ready, put your hand in the cook zone, and if you can't keep it there, you're good to go. Get your plank of wood and rest it against the side and let it start cooking. This dish is going to need some crunch. We had cashews and peanuts, which we toasted in a pan in front of the flames. After 5 minutes, turn the plank around so the fish cooks evenly. After 10 minutes, your fish will start to change colour and char, and the flakes will start to separate. You know it's ready when it comes away from the skin easily. By the time your fish is cooked, your fire would have died down. You can spread out the embers and get your grill on to heat up. Today we're serving the rainbow trout with a grilled vegetable salad. To grill your vegetables, arrange them over your embers and let them char and blister. It brings out the sweetness and they steam in their own juices. To bring this dish together, we're going to serve it with some salad leaves and the vegetables that you just grilled. Add the nuts that you toasted in front of the fire, an Asian dressing, and then flake the fish over the top.
So there you have it, trout cooked on a cedar plank over fire, all the way from the water to the plate. Hit that subscribe button and join us next week.